And a big smile from you, Alex. So. Hit him hard now. Take it out on him. No, get a bit rougher with him. Give him a knock him about a bit.
The law of repetition. The law of repetition.
Give him a good thump. That's what I like. That's brilliant. Thank you very much. That's excellent. You got any bruises there, Alex?